Hey guys, so welcome to Catway. So in this video we are going to solve our set on four variables. Okay, so let us begin. So in a college library, four different business newspapers: Economic Times, Business Standard, Business Line and Financial Express are available. All students visit the library regularly, but 20% of them do not read any business newspaper. The four business newspapers given in the above order are read by 230, 180, 180 and 220 students. That means 230 of students read Economic Times, 180 read Business Standard, 180 read Business Line and 220 read Financial Express. There are okay, the number of students reading exactly two newspapers for any two newspapers is 20. That means for every pair, now how many pairs are going to be there? The first pair is going to be Economic Times with Business Standard, then it is going to be Economic Times with Business Line, then it is going to be Economic Times with Financial Express, then it is going to be Business Standard with Business Line, Business Standard with Financial Express and then Business Line with Financial Express. Okay, so this is going to be the 6 pairs, so they are all are going to be 20 each. Okay, now there are 30 students who read all the four newspapers, but there is nobody who reads exactly 2 out of the 4 exactly 3 out of the 4 newspapers. So what we are going to do is we are going to make our representation. So let us make that. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is our representation for it. So how we are going to represent: this is Economic Times, this is Business Standard, this is Business Line and this is Financial Express. Okay, so now as it has been given that every pair of 2 is 20, so Economic Times and Business Standard will be represented by this. It will be 20. Business Line and Financial Express will be given here 20. Then Business Standard and Business Line is here 20. Economic Times and Business Standard is here 20. Economic Times and Financial Express is here 20 and Business Standard and Financial Express is here 20. Okay, it has been given that every pair of 3 is going to be 0, so they are going to be 0 each, and it has been given that the number of people who read all of them are 30. Okay, so all of them are 30. Okay, now after that what has been given to us, that total of 230 people read Economic Times. So that means, see, Economic Times is going to be presented here, all these addition of all these. Now out of these we know each and every block, so we only need this block. Now because the total are 230 and we have been given all these values, we can subtract them from 230 to get the value of this one, only Economic Times. So let us add them: 30 and 20, 50, 50 and 40, that will be 90. So if 230 में से 190 are subtracted, then Economic Times is read, only Economic Times is read by 140 people. Similarly, we can calculate for Business Standard because we have to calculate only Business Standard. So add these 20, 30, it is 50, 50 and 90, 50 and 40, it is 90, and total number of people reading that is 180. So this will come out to be 90. Okay. Similarly, this is 90. So Business Line is also read by 180 people. So this will also be 90. And similarly, Financial Express, which is read by 220 people, the total is 90. So Financial Express would be read by 130 people. Acha. Now calculate what is the total strength. So this is see, this is 30 and there were 6 pairs of 20 each, so that were 120 and 1 is 30, that exactly 4 is 30. Then there are exactly 3, they are 0, we do not need to count them, then count exactly 1. So that means 140 plus 90 plus 90 plus 130. Okay, so this is what it is. So add them. So this will be 150 and this will be 220 and this will be 230. So addition of all these will be 230, 220 and 150. It will be equal to 600. Now this is 80% of the total, because we have been given that see, what have we have been given that 20% of them do not read any business newspapers. That means those who read either 1, exactly 2, exactly 3 or exactly 4 are going to be total of 80%. So 600 is 80% of total. Okay, so how can we represent it? So 80% of X is going to be equal to 600. So that means X will be equal to 750. Okay, so now let's move ahead towards our questions. Let's check out what are the questions asked. So how many students read exactly 2 newspapers? The answer is going to be 120 because 6 pairs, each pair reading 20 newspapers. How many students read exactly one newspaper? Let's calculate it. So it will be 140 plus 90, 230. 230 plus 130, it will be 360. 360 and 90, it will be 450. So answer will be option number B, 450. How many students do not read any newspaper at all? We have calculated the total number of students as 750. Those who read at least one of them is going to be 600. So that means those who read none of them are going to be 150. So the answer will be option number D, 150. And fourth question is, what percentage of people reading Business Standard also read at least one other newspaper? So that means Business Standard is given by this column. Okay. Now they also read at least one newspaper. That means along with Business Standard, they either read one, or they either read two, or they either read three of them. Okay, it means other three of them we are talking about. Okay, so that means we will count everything in excluding only Business Standard. It has been asked that what percentage of people reading Business Standard also read. Okay, so how many people are reading Business Standard? 90, 20, 110. 130, 130, 150 and 180 people are reading Business Standard. Out of these, 90 people are reading at least one of the newspapers apart from Business Standard. So that means the total percentage will come out to be 50%. So answer will be option number C, that is 50%. So I hope you have understood how to solve Venn diagram in 4 variables. Now let's move towards the next question.